Yeah, welcome everyone. As you all know, like previous lives to do live sessions, 1 year back in like October, last year October. Okay, so that was the last session where I have stopped, and I didn't really show much interest up to that because it affected my psychology. Uh, but yeah, I'm just back on track again. If there is any issues in my psychology, again I'll stop. So let's see. So morning, I have conducted Zap level live trading sessions for them, and even advanced students are just requesting for me. And Mhm. So the reason I have taken why this one as support level is because I'll just go with the straightforward to those things which I personally care. Okay, so this is where price got rejected, so that's why it is a resistance. Price slightly bounced, so support level. So slightly rejected, so resistance. So this will be a good support level. So that's why I have marked this as my level. And in 15 minutes time frame, what I have done is like I'll go for this is 15 minutes time frame, and I have sent to you guys like this is a resistance level because it's keep on because price is at that level below this level. Like if I go for the replay button, this one. So price was in this scenario when I sent the picture in Telegram. Okay, so of course it's keep on resting there. So this is a small range which is happening, so I'll delete. This is 1 hour. Okay, and this is 15 minutes time frame. Okay, minutes. So this is also 15 minutes time frame, minutes. So what is if so same rules. Okay, so whatever the rules uh like uh, like I have already informed in the Telegram group as well. So I trade based on support and resistance and some advanced concepts. Please switch off your video, guys. I trade with some advanced concepts, which is of course based on support and resistance. Okay, and if support is broken, it becomes resistance. If resistance is broken, it becomes support. Okay, I always come from higher time frames, which is weekly, daily, 1 hour and 15 minutes. Please make sure you go for each and everything. Whatever I'm saying, it will definitely make sense for whatever the analysis I'm doing in and whatever the analysis I'm giving in our Telegram channel. Okay, so I'm coming from uh, weekly. Okay, so if we look at the weekly time frame, this one, so price bounce from this area because there might be some support level. So what I do, I just mark my support level like this. Okay, so price rejected from this area, so this will be my resistance. Price rejected from this area, so this will be my resistance, and price is still at the support level. Okay, so obviously I'm looking forward buying opportunities. That's a basic rule, like you can learn it from anywhere. Okay, and after that I'm coming for the daily time frame, and in the daily time frame I'll be looking for support and resistance once again. So this is my resistance at present, which is this one. So I'm marking my resistance all time frames because daily is very important. So this is my resistance level. This is Nifty. Okay, and this is my resistance. Of course we don't need this, become support, which became resistance. Okay, so we are looking for selling over there. And if you look at this daily, it's not that much good. So let's go for blinded to the 4 hours time frame. This one, this is 4 hours time frame, and in this 4 hours, of course it is near the uh like resistance level, and this one at this support level. Okay, which became resistance. So same time frame, no need to change. Let's go for the 4 hours time frame, and this 4 hour, everything is same. Like of course, like when you change to time frames, it will be different because in weekly time frame it might be pin bar. Okay, but in like in 1 hour time frame it might be like a like a bearish move here, and this one, let me color it. It might be a bearish candle over here. It might be a bearish candle over here, and suddenly what happened, like market went till here and closed like this, forming a green candle. Okay, so this is everything is same. Okay, this is equal to pin bar. So same thing is happening. This might be a bullish pin bar in weekly time frame, but in 1 hour it went like this. Okay, and so it is at resistance level, and if we look at the 1 hour time frame support, this is at support level. You can even go for this particular range as well. Okay, this particular thing as well as your support level, because price bounce from this level. Look at this thing. So this is also your resistance. So at present, what is the range at present? This one, this is your range at present. Okay, so if resistance is broken, well, it becomes support. If resistance is broken, it becomes support. If we get bounce at support, so what is the next target? Obviously next resistance. Okay, now if we get rejection from what is that resistance, where what is the next target? Support. If the support is broken, next support is our target. Simple. So that's how the price moves. Okay, so I don't think so today there is much interested because of the market and morning itself from like 39,000 sorry, in bank nifty morning itself onwards, price is ranging. So let me go for nifty. And in nifty, yeah, from morning onwards 18,000, I mean, like it is in between 18,100 and 17,900, and like almost touching 18,000 as well. Okay, so that's why prices keep on ranging, and I'm just waiting for the range to break this range. Okay, I was just waiting for this range to break. Okay, and finally the range has broken. Finally the range has broken, and at present, if resistance is broken, which becomes our support, now what we are looking for, what buying opportunities. So till where? Till the next resistance. Okay, so let me just a second. Yep. So what I do, I'll go for 5 minutes time frame. This is 5 minutes time frame. Of course, like even trend line is supporting everything is there. So I don't really follow trend lines. I don't really trust them. So what I do, I'll just wait for this thing. Like I'll wait for opportunities here. Like I'll wait for 1 minute time frame patterns, or else 5 minutes time frame entries. Okay, so this is first day. Okay, it's been, I mean, like I don't know if you guys might have knew this thing or not, but this is something which I look in the market. I've explained clearly in the free price action course how I use personally these candlestick patterns and all those things. So if this is a support level, sorry, resistance level, if this is a support level, I will look for bullish candlestick patterns at the support level. Okay, I will look for bullish candlestick patterns at the support level, and this one, and I'll look for bearish candlestick patterns at the resistance level. So I do this thing over and over and over and every day. Okay, so looking at the market, I mean, like it needs some time to decide. So it's only 12:30, right? So let's see what happens. Still no opportunity. If there is any opportunity, I'll definitely inform you guys. So the reason why I'm not interested is because of 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this is 1 hour time frame. If we go for daily, it's obviously a doji, right? Look at that. So that's why no, I'm not much interested at this. So I'll explain bank nifty. So falling almost 39,000 is acting as a strong level, either support or resistance. It's quite equal. Okay, resistance is equal and support is equal from long time. So I'll explain the scenario here. Nifty. So 39,000 morning when I was in the session, it's almost like 62,000 here, and here it is 82,000. Okay, and after that market, I mean, like our resistance, like it went down. Okay, it broke the support, it broke the 39,000 level and gave a fake out. Okay, even though 83,000 contracts are acting over there, it gave a fake out over here. Again came back. Okay, again came back in the range form. I mean, like totally it was in a range at the time. So now at present there is not much difference. 98,001 1 lakh contracts. Okay, there is not much difference at present. If there is no difference at present, I mean, like in the data as well, it shows that market is clearly in a ranging market. Okay, so that's why I'll say like I'm not interested, or else maybe big people are not buying. Of course, I go for other this thing or other data analysis as well. So I'll just mark the levels. This one, minimum minutes, sorry, and this one. Okay, let's keep on ranging here on there. So basically, like whenever the market is in this type of scenario, like I mean, like first I look for option generator. If there is equally strong, then I'll simply ignore it. I don't really focus on that much. I have entered in ICICI Bank because I got the pin bar confirmation, and that's why I have entered. I'll explain why I mean, like in the chart. Okay, guys, please, yeah, mute your video. Okay. No opportunities, SPN as well, ranging, and Kotak is, I mean, like everything with it. Only Reliance was good today. Reliance was damn good today. Uh, Even though I missed opportunity, like I was just focusing on other things. Yeah, it's not much good. This one. Let's keep on ranging over here. No, this like after saving like I was just thinking to do this session from long period of time, like so it all depends on my mood whether to do it or not. So I'll explain the reason for, can we expect Nifty 50 to reach 20,000? Anything is possible in the market. Anything is possible in the market. Okay, so 20,000 is not so far. Okay, yep, anything is possible. M&M is good. Auto, I mean, like it's good. It's good. And as you all know, like I have given this auto sector analysis as well here. Okay, and yeah, get good moment as well in auto stocks, and after that India hotels as well. Okay, we are mitigating opportunity just a second. Okay, so like this will be fine. Okay, till next resistance. UPL bullish. I've given analysis as well, right? For you guys, I'll ignore this thing. I've I might have given this thing as well for. I've posted in Telegram, right? I'm looking only for buys here. I've posted in Telegram as well. It's bullish, weekly as well bullish. Yesterday in live session, like we have analyzed this thing. It's totally bullish. My target is of course like this one, my negative 0.5, which is 1,000. Like you can go for 1,000. Okay, negative 0.5 is my target. Of course, my views are just for educational purpose. Okay, it's not for any recommendation. Okay, it all depends on you and your risk, how you guys are doing it. Yeah. Of course, like let's say we have gone for buying, I mean for swing investment in 10 stocks. In that, hardly maybe 4 will be working, okay, and 6 will be not working. It may hit our stop loss, but overall we need to be in a profitable range, or like we should be. Okay, if we are not profitable, even though if we lost 6 trades, this shows that our risk management is completely wrong. Okay, our risk management is completely wrong, then it's a serious issue. This one was today, it was good. Support level. So this range should break. Today's range, it's keep on reading. So mostly like most of the time, sometimes, okay, sometimes market open gap, big gaps, and goes fastly. Okay, but sometime, most of the time, if price is moving very fastly within the first 1 hour, like it's keep on, it will be in a ranging market. Oh, in that case, we need to be really careful. I've done only some scalping here. Oh, what some puts only 10 points here, but I didn't show much interest over after some time. Only my advanced friends knew why I have taken sell here. That's why at this area. Even zap level as well. No. So, so I'll explain this thing I see as a bank. So the next support is of course here. So my target is of course here, and this one, this is a support level, and this is a support and resistance level. Okay, that's why I'm pretty much confident on that. And I think in 15 minutes time frame pin bar, I have gone for buys. 50 minutes pin bar, I have gone for buys, and yeah, that's it. I'm not interested in buying Nifty at present, even though if we get patterns as well, not interested. Look at that. People might have gone for this thing. They might be thinking like that. It's not true. It's not how the market works. Okay. So 39,000 level, I think like you guys might have seen 98,001. Like let's refresh. Let's see what is happening now. 99,000. Okay, look at that. 1.02. So calls are increasing, puts are also increasing. So no action. That's it. So basically in our stock market, mostly these index will play a key role in that. I mean, like in our stocks as well. No, not good. Nifty was not good. Everything is shit today. Okay, seems like Kotak is cooking something. Yeah, let's go for Kotak. Yeah, I'm UPL only for buys at present. Okay. You guys can ask me your doubts. Let's go for Kotak, 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 Kotak. Can you explain some price action moments? Yeah, that's what I'm explaining. You might have missed uh, starting of this session. That's what I'm explaining. I've explained clearly why and when I'll be looking for this thing in Nifty. So this, see, I'll explain once again. Okay. So price bounce from here. So this is a support. Price rejected, this is a resistance. Price rejected, this is a resistance. So okay, so it is near the support level. So what I do, I'll go for 15 minutes or 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour, actually it is this one. These are the levels in 1 hour. Okay, support and resistance levels. Fine. These are the support and resistance levels. So the reason why I have taken the support is because it got rejected, bounce, and rejection from here. So that's why I have taken the support. And price slightly bounce. So this is our next resistance. I mean, range is really small. Okay, too small. Fine. And if we are looking at the data as well in Nifty and Bank Nifty, it's kind of very strong in both the calls and puts. Okay, both are increasing. So what I have done, like I went for 15 minutes time frame, looking for this resistance or the support to break. And you guys might have been thinking like, even I mean, like some point of time, this is a bullish candle. Okay, white one is a bullish. Okay, and I just changed the colors. I mean, I just like these things. And you guys might be thinking this is the perfect breakout. No, it's not like that. It doesn't, I mean, like market doesn't move like that. Okay, this is not a perfect breakout. Even though if it is a perfect breakout, after this thing, okay, after this thing, we need a small bullish candle. So this is perfect because resistance becomes support, and after the support, at support we'll be looking only for what? Bullish candlestick patterns. So now we can enter here, which targets these supports, these resistance, sorry. Okay, but range is very small, it's not much good. And looking at the 5 minutes, it's not good. Looking at the 1 minute, it's not good. Simple. That's what I've said, right? Like I need this kind of thing. So same thing is happening. You can refer to the video as well. I'll upload this thing in YouTube. Can you explain some price movement? Same thing, like I've explained clearly in free price action course. This is my resistance. This is my support. Fine. And I'll be looking for what? Sorry, I'll be looking for bearish candlestick patterns at around this area at resistance. Okay, and I'll be looking for bullish candlestick patterns at support. Same thing. Okay, I just trade with these things. Of course, I go for data analysis as well. Oh, ICICI Bank, thanks. Okay, yeah, look at that, same thing. I do same thing. Okay, so I only look for, I mean, I always say these rules in Telegram. Okay, Nifty might be an opportunity. So yeah, that's what I've said, right? And bullish candle, right? Can you explain? Yeah, look at that. We're getting bullish candles, 15 minutes time frame. Yep, look at that. Look at that bullish candle. So next target will be this one, 18,000. Can you explain price action with respect to? Yeah, that's what I'm explaining. From past few, from past 20 minutes almost, I'm explaining based on price action and OI data only, which is this one. So basically, why I'm not interested in Bank Nifty is because of 39,000. Okay, 39,000, 99,000 contracts have been added, and here 1 lakh contracts. So it's almost same. Okay, this means like both calls and puts are equal. So that's why I'm not interested in this market at present. Okay, even though price goes in my direction, I'm not at all interested. Either it should break this resistance or this support. Okay, don't worry, we'll learn a lot in coming days. I'll try to conduct sessions. HDFC buying Anderson Bank. Anderson Bank, I haven't seen that. Okay, HDFC was too good. In fact, it gave a good week today. That was a perfect opportunity. I have taken ICICI Bank. So this one, I'll say the reason. So this is my support level. Like this was a previous support level. This one. Okay. So what I've done is it's blasting actually. So what I've done is I went for 15 minutes time frame. I've seen a pin bar over there. Okay, I'll change it to white color. It might be disturbing this one. Okay, after this thing, I have entered. I mean, in small time frames, I have entered in 1 minute time frame. You will definitely get confused if I go and say all these things. 5 minutes time frame. Let's go for 5 minutes. Yeah, this one. So after this thing, and I'm just waiting for the retest, and I have entered here with the stop loss and still running over there. So my target is okay, this one. This is perfect. Okay, this is a resistance and this is support. Same concepts, everything. I don't really do much. I mean, I do some other things which is some advanced. So these are same thing. And now what I do, it should break. Okay, if this is broken, boom, 782 target is my target. But let's be realistic because this is intraday. Okay, this is intraday time frame, and I mean, like, of course, market is unpredictable. Okay, so we are just dealing with probabilities, which is based on risk management. So it should be completely with a good amount of candle, good candle. Okay, I need this type of candle here. If this is broken with this type of candle, then it's a perfect breakout, and next target will be this one. I don't know whether we'll be getting this today or not, like 1250 or 1250, right? Well, okay, I'll go for a hull. See, look at that. It's at resistance and rejecting. Boom. Okay, so same thing. I'll do it over and over and again. So I'll remove UPL. Hull. Okay, sorry. No, this time. Okay. 1 hour. Okay, bearish pattern, right? Let's go for daily. Come from higher time frames to lower time frames. Okay, it's like a cup here, and still it's working. Okay. Means if you post it, yeah, I'll post it. I'll post it. Okay. So basically, I mean, like, I don't show. I mean, I don't give much in. Look at that. Just imagine, okay, how many of you have gone for buy after this breakout, after this pattern breakout? How many of you might have like are ready to go for buy here? Okay, so I mean, always use this data and all those things. So it's not much like not good to take action whenever the price is not in our favor. Okay, so it can go up and boom, it can fall down once again. Anything can happen in the market. So okay, it's almost at the support. Let's draw support and resistance in weekly time frame. I've explained clearly this stuff in free course. You can look at the entries part, candlesticks and entries part. If you guys need, I can come up with a small short in the sense, like, of course, like, it will be slightly big. Some small short videos based on that free price action, like candlestick patterns, support and resistance, trend lines, and all those things. I'll try to upload in YouTube. Okay. So yeah, it's a support level, right? So I'm looking only for buys. Here what I need is, personally, I need bullish candlestick patterns. If I don't get any bullish candlestick patterns like this, okay, I need bullish candlestick patterns. If I don't get any bullish candlestick patterns, I'm not acting over that. Okay, so what I said, always place a stop loss, I mean, like, bullish candlestick pattern stop loss at below this candlestick pattern levels, and your entry will be this one. So target will be this one. So you can go for targets like negative 0.5, okay, like this, and you can go for negative 0.5, which is like somewhere at 3000. Maybe you can go for 3100. Okay? So that's how you can go like this. I need this type of movement here. So till then, what I'll do, I'll not even focus on this thing. And daily, it's not good. I mean, if weekly we are looking for buys, then why the hell we need to look for sells in daily? Okay, so in small time frames, it will be obviously bearish. Yeah, I'll go for sale. Okay, I mean, you are asking me this question for a long time. I'm sorry, I'll go for sale. Let's compare this thing. Okay, fine. This one is good. So bearish pattern. So now what I do, I'll go for, okay, this is, we can't go here. So let's go for 30 minutes bearish, 5 minutes. Okay. So now a 1 hour time frame, I got confirmation which is bearish. Now what I do, I just wait for this thing. Support is broken. Where is that? Yeah, this one. Now what I do is there is no such type of patterns over here. Now in this case, like this, it will be happening like this. Now this is a perfect sell entry. Okay, this is just an analysis. Okay, it's not like completely you'll be getting like this. In case if you didn't get like that, at least this one is this is support, right? This is support level. So now what I'm looking for, at least at this resistance level, I'm looking for this kind of setup. Like this. Okay. Now my stoppers will be somewhere like above the pattern like this, and my entry and my target will be this one. Fine. Okay, it's going down badly. Okay, gonna push this. Boom, like this. Fine. What is happening? Okay, look at that range. I can definitely guarantee that you might have gone for buys over here. Expecting this thing, there is no hope in stock market only. Trade what you see. Look at that. Not even interested here. I need bullish candle to close. Without that candle to close, like how can I enter in this market? So sale. Come from daily. Yeah, go for few stocks. Okay, everyone, I'm saying. I mean, like it depends on you. I'm not forcing you guys. So let's draw. Okay, it's not much good. Not much good. Okay, fine. This is something which is okay. Okay, this is good. I mean, it's whenever you don't get any analysis, like don't force those things. So this one, it's broken. So obviously buying a this might be like this. You can touch this level. Okay. So at present, no action at present because I need this kind of setups here. Okay. So what is my stop loss? Obviously this one below the pattern, right? Candlestick patterns. And what is my target? This one. Okay. If this is broken, obviously resistance is broken, right? So it becomes a support. We can buy once again. So at present, no action. How to create a watch list where we could get momentum next day? See, it's I think I might have. See, I'll explain. I mean, like I have created as. I mean, like I have uploaded one video, right, based on momentum, which is RSI. So based on that, you can create a watch list. Okay, based on that, you can create a watch list. I mean, like how to identify these momentum stocks which perform really well. Okay, if we look at this thing, okay, you can create a scanner. Exactly, that's what I have explained in like in RSI swing trading momentum strategy. In place of weekly time frame daily, you can change your time frames to 1 hour like that. Okay, look at that price about 60 and price pounds. Boom. Now if we look at here, so same thing is like I'm just showing the same here. Look at that. Price is ranging. Why? See, there is no confirmation from RSI. There is no momentum. Why the hell we need to look for buys or sells here? Of course, if you're trading with advanced concepts, maybe you might have understood why it's changing over there. Okay. Now look at that. Momentum happened. Momentum happened. Now price again ranging. Price was ranging over here. Okay. Now look at that. Price is about the sorry below the RSI, which is 40. Now momentum is starting over there. Okay, that doesn't mean like you're looking for sells over there. Just watch the swing trading price action that I mean like RSI momentum strategy video. you'll understand clearly why you should look for buys and why you should look for sells. When you should look for buys and when you should look for sells. Not all things can be traded. Okay, not all those things can be traded. I'll just copy this thing. Nifty by Nifty. Yeah, I've explained this thing. Look at that. Boom. You might have lost your money over there. Now let me paste over there. Let me paste. I'm just pasting it. It's not like you can go for each and every setups. Okay. Now what is, I mean, what exactly 1 hour is saying? Please say me. What exactly 1 hour is saying in RSI? What exactly RSI is saying in 1 hour? Come on, if I get answers from you, I can do a lot of sessions like this. If you're not applying anything, I can't show much interest. RSI below 40, no, not oversold. Okay, based on the RSI strategy which I've explained now in YouTube. So it's below 40. So if it is below 40, what does that mean? If it is below 40, what does that mean? What does that mean? Yeah, selling pressure, not oversold. It's selling pressure. Okay, selling pressure. Okay. I think it's working fine for everyone. Yeah, selling pressure. So if it is selling pressure in 1 hour, so what I do, I'll just go for 50 minutes time frame. If 50 minutes time frame, if it is below, that's fine. If it is below here, okay. So almost it's almost in this range, and it's keep on ranging over there. Okay, it's because of, I mean, the price is ranging over there. It's because of 5 minutes time frame. Yep. Price is in between 40 and 60, so it's keep on ranging, no momentum at all. Now in this case, if 1 hour is below the 40, 15 minutes is 1.5. Okay, 15 minutes is below the 40. Now what I'm looking for, now what I should look for, I should look for sells or buys. What to do after market hours, how you stay so mentally strong, like what's your daily routine. Yeah, let me come with this thing, guys. 1 hour we got, 1 hour we got confirmation RSI below 40, 50 minutes RSI below 40. Now what type of confirmation we are looking for in 5 minutes time frame? What type of confirmations we are looking for in 5 minutes time frame? It might move upside. No. What type of confirmations we are looking in 5 minutes time frame? Oh, okay, bearish pattern is fine. I mean, like I'm saying in RSI. So in RSI, we are looking for the RSI. I mean, like in this particular 5 minutes time frame, we are looking for the RSI to go below the 40. Okay, if it goes below the 40, official it is a selling pressure, because we got confirmations in what 1 hour time frame, we got confirmations in 15 minutes time frame. Now I need confirmations in 5 minutes time frame. Until unless I get confirmations in a 5 minutes time frame, I'm not looking for any sells or buys. Okay, I'm not looking for any sells or buys. So if there is no confirmation, for what I'll do, simply sit quietly. That's it. Okay, I can show you a lot of examples on this thing. Okay, all you need is, I mean, like I'll show today's Reliance example. You will love that example. I don't know whether we got opportunity or not. Reliance. Okay, that's a beautiful opportunity. Let me clear all the drawings. Okay. So let's come from 15 minutes time frame. Why to go for this thing? Look at that. Okay, I'll mark it here only because it'll don't go for 5 minutes time, sorry, 1 minute time frame. I'll mark with these things. So here we got confirmation. So this one at this spot, that's where you got confirmation, right? Here. Okay, So now what I do, I'll go for 5 minutes time frame. I'll be looking for what? Bullish pin bars. Because price is above the 60, right? 1 hour is also going above 60. So I'll be looking for bullish pin bars. No, this one. This is a bullish pin bar in 1 minute time. I'll show all those things because I've seen this personally. Okay. Now this is the area where we are looking for opportunities. Prices or like RSI is above 60. So official bullish confirmation. Now 1 minute time frame. Don't I mean like I don't really focus on RSI in 1 minute time frame because it's much noise. Mostly I focus on swing. Fine. So these are all the opportunities you are getting, and these are the perfect patterns. If you're looking for perfect patterns, fine. You're not looking for bearish patterns. You're only looking for bullish patterns. It was a good opportunity today. Okay. Yeah, no, not interested in ISIS. Hey. Oh, why 1 minute? Come on. Oh, Bank Nifty. It's changing. So 99, 1.02. That's very fresh. 1. Okay, fine. I said quietly. 1.03 and 1.04. So it's not much perfect. Okay. Okay, what is my routine? Nothing much. Okay, so after I mean like morning itself, I have completed in Bank Nifty. So I have a limit of 0.75% risk per day. Hardly 1%. Okay, I don't risk much. I'll take 0.25% risk per trade, and yeah, Nifty will go upside. Okay, and after that, what I personally do is like write down whatever the trades I have taken, like 4 or 5 trades, and I'll write down my mistakes, what I personally do in the market. To be frank, I study a lot. It's been like 5 years in the market, but learning is a never-ending process in when it comes to market. Okay, especially market. And after that, I'll journal it. I'll save all the pictures of my trades in my computer, and I'll write down my emotions, and I'll write down my strategy. Okay, so what I have to do, what like so and so this thing like that. I'll write down my strategy, and I'll just sign. I'll just keep aside, and I'll take some rest, like at least 1 hour, and after that, mm, I'll do. I'll just meet for friends, and again from 7 o'clock, I'll sit till 1 o'clock. So this is what I do till 1 o'clock. I'll just again I study. There is nothing like it's not like we have to celebrate each and every day. Okay, so look at that. It's going about that. So it's almost at resistance. That's fun. So what is it? I need resistance to break with a good candle. Okay. So if this is broken, like what is the next resistance? Which is this one. Okay. Like this should break. At least it should break like this, and some retest like this. Uh, Retest like this, and that's it. So Bank Nifty, I'm not interested. I only trade when I see some action in the market. Okay, so yesterday, not yesterday. So I'll explain yesterday's Hindalco trade, which we have taken. Even okay, it's okay. Long back, I might have given this analysis. It's last time. So don't miss this thing. So yesterday price was here, and this was the resistance level. So why it is resistance? Price bounce, slightly bounced kind of rejection, and again big ping bounce. But this is a very good level to look for selling opportunities. So what I have done, uh, I just went for 15 minutes time frame, and I've seen this thing here, and this big pin bar, and here we have sold here. Stop loss above the pattern, candlestick pattern. Target obviously 1 is to 2. This one. So it met our target, and yeah, today it went very fastly again. Why it went today? Because it broke this support, and what is the next support? If this support is broken, this one is the next support. It's going to this level. That's it. Look at that. It's not even breaking that level. Come on, you have to do that. It should break. Okay, chances are there for the break. Okay, high chances are there. But yeah, let's see how this goes. Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't see that. What is that? Yeah, I'll explain here. Again, not interested by after. This is first time I'm opening this chart. I mean, of course, I don't focus on all charts and even anything like the IPO or something like that. Not good though. Not good now. Okay, looking at that level, let's go for weekly. Okay, this one is fine. No, not much. Okay, it's a bullish engulfing on weekly. Let's go for daily. Yeah, this is perfect above the support. So where is the next resistance? This one is good resistance, but it is very clean here. So I'll go for this one. Okay. What Tata Consumer Product? I bought Tata Consumer Products at 820 for swing. Can you please check? Even though if I say no, you should not uh, uh, obey my words. Okay. Even that, like let's say if I said yes to hold, tomorrow market crashed, what happens? You'll definitely think like, okay, this fellow don't know anything, or maybe this fellow like some kind of thing. If I say like just exit now and tomorrow market blasted, now what happens? Come on, you'll think like I have asked this person unnecessarily. So everything depends on you. Okay, I'll just give my view. It's not like I don't really give. I'll definitely give my view. Fine. It's not. So I'm looking for this thing, especially this one. So at present, it's not good. Okay. How to consumer. Oh, damn good. You can hold. Okay, you can hold. Hold. For me, it's looking quite good bullish pressure. Okay, I'll delete this thing. I only did that one. Yeah, hold. So yeah, if this level, this resistance is broken, add some more. Fine. Now this is resistance support level at present. Okay. So let's see how this goes. You can hold. I mean, like it all depends on you. Nifty is about to cross. About to cross is yeah. The reason why I didn't take anything is because of this range. Range is very small. That's why. Okay. So fake moves also can happen. Oh, let's go for buy Nifty. So because of buy Nifty, I'm not looking for Nifty. That's why. you can understand that Bank Nifty is 1.03, 1.04. Okay, so if I refresh now, it might be different. 1.03, 0.5, 1.05. So almost same. Okay, if it is same, then mostly price will be in a sideways market. If it is in a sideways market, doesn't make any sense to hold that position. Fine, it's not good. What are the batteries? Oh, no, very right. Again, not weekly, weekly, monthly. Okay, so you can even go for inverted and shoulders. Maybe you can add your position somewhere around here. Okay, now this will be good. Like, and now, I mean, of course, not this much big candle. Now this will be good. Fine. So at present as well, you can add some. So almost like 100 points. Okay, so what I personally suggest is, I mean, I'm not suggesting that you should do exactly like this. Okay, so let's say you're going for 100 quantities. Okay, just be realistic, not 100 quantities. Let's go for 100 quantities. In that 100 quantities, you can add 10 here, and you can add some more 10 at 650. And when it comes to this level, add some more like like 20, like that. Okay, rest of the 60 or maybe 50 add whenever the price or market is going in your direction, which is like add at 800, like that. You can go for like that. Fine, it is good, looking good. It is damn perfect. Same kind of setup, yesterday's setup. We could have gone for sell here. Stop loss. Now this is the target for this thing. Not good. Okay, so basically every Wednesday is good to trade. I don't know why. I mean, like today it was not good. Even was I mean, I've conducted sessions for students as well. It's not much good today. How will we have? How will you know the index is trending or sideways before the day starts? With the help of option chain data, you can do that. So market is unpredictable. It's not like we can predict each and every things like whether the day will be bullish or bearish, like that. Okay, so like according to my experience, Wednesdays are and Mondays are too good to trade, and sometimes Tuesdays, and Thursday is like a sideways market because of expiry, and weekly is a boring market. Like sometimes it'll be giving good opportunities, but most it is boring market. Okay, Wednesday is a good actually, but I don't know why, what happened. Like sometimes, okay, nights Like views would be different, but this is something which I personally follow. If you ask me tomorrow, will I trade tomorrow? Of course I trade, but I don't take much risk. I don't go more into that. Okay, because of expiry, mostly it will be sideways. And I think because of today's range sideways market, I think like already, if you look at that, already 39,000 p, like when I entered it was 240, sorry, 236. Now it has almost lost 30 points. It's near 210 actually. So yeah, today itself premium is decreasing. Like we don't know what happens tomorrow. So if it is falling, then yeah, nothing in that option chain data is reading option chain data is very easy. So on a call side, these act as resistance. On a put side, these act as support level. Okay. So where is the highest support level? We need to look at the Y data. So 1.05. I mean, like 1,05,000 contracts are still outstanding over there. So this shows 39,000 level is a strong support level. Here 1,03,000, 1,03,000 OI is outstanding over at the call side. This shows 39,000 is acting also. I mean, 39,000 is also acting as a strong resistance level. So at present, basically, both buyers and sellers are equal. Okay, so in case 39,000 is acting as a, like in case at around 39,000, if the OI is 1,05,000, and at 39,000 call side, if OI is like, let's say, 20,000, this shows that puts are more. This shows support is very strong. Okay, in that case, you will be looking for what? Buying opportunities. You should look for or data at option chain, and what you do, just go for Nifty chart and look for supports at Nifty chart. Okay, you need to look for support in Nifty chart. Then you can combine Y data and chart your chart analysis, price action, everything, and you can look for opportunity. Simple. So that's how I do. Like there are many other methods you can learn and do. Like personally, I do this like this. Okay, yesterday, even Hindalco was uh, like 80 was very strong resistance level, 480. So yeah, I'm very much sure that it will touch 450, and it touched today. That's why we went for sales yesterday. Mm, so yep, yeah. Thanks a lot. So if put means there is a selling pressure, right? Yeah, like basically these option chain data is refers to the call writers in the sense like selling sellers. Okay, calls, sorry, option sellers. Okay, so if puts are increasing, this shows options. I mean, like this shows like these option sellers are selling puts heavily. If they are selling puts heavily, this shows that market is bullish, right? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, welcome. Just yes, I mean it's not like that. Okay, see, I can't. What is that? I can't share much in Telegram. It's not like I'm not interested, because it wastes my time, like typing all those things. Okay, if so that's why I'm just conducting these live sessions. And if it is useful for you guys, it's fine. So no action today. Like I don't know. Like see, even though we got bullish candlestick patterns and all those things, I didn't took any action because not interested. So some 80% of the time you need to uh, you need to wait for the perfect setup. It's not like every setup is tradable. Okay, not every setup is tradable. You need to uh, gather information and look only for those setups which are perfectly coming into in your analysis. Okay, if there is no setup, simply don't trade. So look at that. I'm just in ICICI Bank here. That's it. And morning itself, I have computed in the bank Nifty. That's it. I have no position no present. And of course, I missed Reliance and all those things. But yeah, I don't really regret because there is tomorrow. Like we get opportunities tomorrow as well. Meanwhile, if call Y are much more than put, what pressure? Say me what is the pressure? If puts are more, okay. So if market is going down, you'll be buying puts, right? So in that case, what? In that case, calls will be going down. Okay, that's it, right? If market is going down, I'll explain here. If market is going down, now what you do? You will buy. Okay, you will buy what? Puts. Okay, you'll buy puts. And if you're buying puts, okay, why you're buying puts? Because market is going down. At the same time, will calls also go up? Will calls also go up? No, right? They'll go down. Okay, calls go down, selling pressure. So this shows like call writers sell, expecting the market. I mean, like call writers sell a lot, sending the market downside, and put writers sell a lot, expecting the market. I mean, to send the market upside. That's it. Simple calculations. I'll suggest everyone to go for a zero diversity. It's too good. I mean, like people don't really use free stuff. There is one website for Udemy as well. See, I mean, like basically, I'm saying, okay, in Udemy, like I'm just saying reality of the human psychology. In Udemy as well, there are many courses which they give you for discount like 400 like that. Okay, but mostly, okay, mostly people will never use those courses, and mostly 95%, 96% people will never complete that course 100%. This is fact. To be frank, even I didn't complete that because 400, like you're not looking at the because the amount which you have paid is not at all valuable. Okay. Similarly, people don't really use the information available in internet. They don't know how exactly to use that information. Okay, and if you ask me, there are a lot of videos on option selling as well. I have my personal option selling strategies, but if I want to go for advanced option selling, yes, there are videos in YouTube, but I don't show much interest on that. Why? Because there is no one to guide me, and according to the human emotions, mostly 99%, even me as well, I don't show much interest on free value. I don't show much interest in free value. There is abundance of knowledge in the internet. So it all takes like those guts to like uh, learn from the free things. Yeah, sometimes I mean, like, it's not like I completely ignore free things, but mostly you'll get a lot of knowledge in the market. So zero diversity is free, but people, no one will study that thing. I have read each and every, I mean, zero diversity, everything for more than 2 or 3 times. Okay, but I read it completely for one time, and I have reread those things which are useful for me. I didn't go for futures because it's not my cup of tea. It's not my niche. So zero diversity is good. I'll definitely suggest everyone to look after that. Yeah, yeah. Everyone will start with diversity. Mhm. So I'll give you a simple tip. Okay. So what I suggest is, if you have a strategy, profitable strategy, then I'll suggest everyone to record your voice. Let's say I'll buy at support, I'll sell at resistance, I'll buy at support whenever the I get bullish start candlestick patterns. I'll buy at let's say I'll buy at crossovers, I'll buy at EMA at these level, I'll buy at pivots these levels, like that. Just record yourself. I mean a video, okay, and record like this a video for at least 5 minutes or maybe 10 minutes. Record that and uh, record your entire strategy. And every day, every morning, while you're entering in the market, like 30 minutes prior to the market opening, just refer to that video. You'll understand clearly what to do and what not to do. That's what I do. I still learn my strategy every day. Thank God it's breaking. Boom. You can refer to the video, this video as well. I have clearly said it will break, and I'm still holding the position. ICICI Bank. Not to worry, right? I have entered at 774.75. It's at present 778. So I think I need to. Okay, I think this might have blasted as well. Yep, it does this level. Correct. Okay, still Bank Nifty is pending. So the reason why I didn't react in Nifty is because of Bank Nifty. Okay, even though if Nifty went in my deserved uh, way, I didn't really react because I'm not interested. I need collections, data collection from all those things. Everything should be same. If Bank Nifty and Nifty is not same, I don't really trade. Come on, ICICI Bank, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. At least. Yep, I'm expecting more 1:4. So, guys, any doubts? If there is, I mean, like, I don't know when I'll connect the sessions. I'll connect the sessions suddenly as well. And if there is anything like that, you can ask me. And come on, ICICI Bank, you can do it. So, what is the next target, guys? That's one. So let's be realistic target. Okay, always keep realistic target. This one is also good. This resistance. That's what I'm saying. Okay, it's not like it'll go completely like this. It takes time and it will test all our patience and it'll kick out all traders and boom, it'll blast. Fine. So okay, so everyone is okay. I cannot see you. Okay, it's rejecting. Let's say it's a bank, Hindalco. Let's look at the Bank Nifty. Of course, it didn't break. Okay. Yeah, it's a good one. Yeah, Rajesh, it's a good one. It's a good one. That's a good one. I mean, like in future, bank stocks means like Kotak and Axis Bank are the future. And I don't know personally about fundamentals. I didn't learn in the sense like I didn't show much interest because it's not my edge. Mine it's just different. Okay, so Bank Nifty isn't moving. It's 1 minute time frame. ICICI Bank, no. So entry point has completed long back. This was the good entry. Long position. At least pivot near this thing and this one. Okay, so nothing new. Bullish candlestick pattern entry here, and keep on ranging and stop loss below the pattern, and yeah, it came out multi-decade break. Can you please check and help us where we can enter? Okay, you're saying Kotak Mahindra. Okay, yeah, come on, Axis Bank. So let's go for Bank Nifty. Let's see if any changes has happened and why data. 1.05, no change, nothing, ignore. So what is that? Kotak Mahindra Bank, right? Sorry. No, I mean, I have seen this chart. Like, this is my first favorite chart. I mean, bank stocks are my favorite actually. So can I trade and try to support? Yes, of course. That's what you want Karnataka. Okay, sorry. So yeah, come on. Yep. This one, resistance. Oh, it's blasting. Come on. Okay, so this one. No, it's almost resistance, right? Yeah, of course. I'll upload this session in YouTube. Okay, I'll upload this session in YouTube. So monthly is fine. Your weekly is also fine. You can enter. I mean, that's what I'm saying. What I personally do is whenever I see these kind of setups, I'll enter 10 quantities over here. If it comes down, I'll enter another 10, 10 like this. And if it is moving in my side again, I'll enter 10, 10, 10. I mean, like in a winning side as well, I will enter. Whenever my position is losing, I'll not enter complete 100% shares here. Okay, I mean, let's say, I mean, like, I'm not saying that you are taking 100 shares. Let's say you're take let's say you're taking 10 shares. Okay, not according to this price. Okay, you may take 100 shares. Let's say you're going for 10 shares. Now if price is near the resistance and this particular stock has a potential to go higher in coming days, what I do is I'll enter one share here, and again I'll enter one share here. If price is going down, I'll enter one share here, and if it's going in my side, I'll enter two like that. I'll keep on entering. I'll look for what? I'll look for bearish patterns like this. Sorry, bullish patterns. For buying, we'll be looking for bullish, right? So that's why we can look for upper strategy like that. Yeah, it's good. Like for me, if you ask me, it's not much good. Okay, and if you ask me where I can enter, and I always enter after confirmation like this at this support. This one, I'll enter here. At the same time, this trend line is also supported. So that's how we can enter. Okay. Yeah, that's it. See, trading this support and resistance method need a lot of practice. Okay, it's not like we can blindly enter each in each and every support and resistance level. So it need a lot of practice, and just try to train your eyes. It's you, if you don't if you don't train your eyes, like you cannot see what other people are saying. Okay, always train your eyes. Uh, yeah, that's it. There is nothing to say. Like just train your eyes. It's very much important. Yeah, of course, I'll do free sessions. No issues in that. So I mean, like in case if I'm busy or if I'm mentally not stable, then I don't do. But mostly I'll do it. Okay, it's TFC Bank. Sorry, I forgot this thing. It's TFC. Okay, buying FT is going up. So same setup. Okay, look at that. 0.5. So now what I suggest is, I mean, I'm not suggesting, okay, it all depends on you. What I personally do is I'll enter some here. Okay, I'll enter some at 0.61 on it and I'll write the trade. Simple. Now definitely market is too good. I'm looking for buys in HDFC Bank. I'm looking for buys in HDFC Bank. Okay, so let me mark the support distance. This one above the support, right? So obviously, what is the next target? Resistance. So obviously, I'm looking for buys. 5 minutes. Look at that. 15 minutes. So while opening a chart without any indicator, how to identify the current trend in a simple ways? Can you please? Yeah, that's what I have said. Right? Okay, it's blasting. It's good. It's good for buy. Go for the what is that? Swing trading video. That's what I have explained. Okay, it's blasting. So my ICICI Bank is also blasting. So I've explained clearly in swing trading momentum strategy. If price is above the RSI 60 in 1 hour time frame, it's bullish. If price is above the like above the 60, I mean, if RSI is above the 60 in the 15 minutes time frame, it is bullish. If RSI is above the 60 in 5 minutes time frame, it is bullish. Boom, go for buys. If none of the I mean, like if let's say 15 minutes is not supporting, don't enter. Always to take all confirmations. Yeah, it's going. This means what? Resistance might be getting weaker and support might be getting stronger. Trapped. These people got trapped here. Damn, I'm sorry. I don't know what is happening. Thank God. Oh. It's almost 1:3. So yeah, it's almost to shall we meet in other session? Shall we meet in other session? So I'm just still holding my trade. I'll send that in. I've taken only 2 trades today. ICICI Bank and yeah, let's meet another session, guys. No, at present, no opportunities. Market has moved a lot, and tomorrow this thing is expiry is there. So yeah, let's meet. ICICI Bank target next support, so next resistance. This one, 80. At least yeah, 80 is fixed, right? 80 is done. 780 is done. I mean, today's high will be fine. Okay, today's this one will be fine. So that's why I kept targeting. Now, of course, this is this one resistance, right? Okay. I don't know how many of you have taken. I mean, of course, I didn't really recommend this thing. Okay. Oh, maybe if this is part of your strategy, then I think you might have entered maybe in this thing. Paste. Okay, it's not even confirmed 15 minutes time frame. So maybe 1 minute time frame. Yeah, it's confirmed 1 minute time frame. Okay, so let me clear this thing. Yeah, good confirmation though. 1, 2. Oh, where is that? Yep. Inverse head and shoulders as well. Yeah, not to there. This shows momentum is completing. Like if RSI goes like this and price goes like this, then divergence. Okay, it can fall down anything. Price can fall down anytime like that. So still momentum is there. Let's see what happens. My Nifty. 5 minutes time frame. So target 950. Okay, I'll say simple technique. Okay, so whenever you're trading in buy Nifty or any chart, okay, always keep that ATM option, call ATM call and ATM put option charts side by side, and you'll get a clear idea like in which direction that is going. Your edge will increase. Mhm. So basically, this is another technique which I personally use. If I get any pin bar, what I do is I'll mark the pin bar highs and lows, and 50% this is where I'll enter. This is another technique. There is, I mean, like there is a lot of entries, a lot of techniques are there. Like it takes a lot of time to introduce. I mean, like to teach all those things. So I mean, like I teach these concepts in advance, all those things. RSI, Reliance. Oh, SPIN. Come on, where is that? SPIN. Okay. SPIN. I should not miss you. Okay. Five minutes. Look at that. Okay, so bullish pattern. Now, if this is forming a bullish pattern, I'll be looking for what bullish patterns. Go to entry over there. You can enter now here, and you can enter another entry here, and you can drive the trade. Simple. Tata Chemicals. Dairy. Not that much. I mean, I don't show much interest on these stocks. No, not good. Price action isn't good. Let's go for weekly. Not good. I mean, personally, I'm not good. Okay, if it is good for you, then it definitely I'll suggest. Zap level students, please look at SPI and it's good. Okay, then like guys, let's make another. So for both the Nifty and Bank Nifty options, what should we take as reference? Either index chart or futures. I'll personally I used to take futures in the past. Okay, maybe if you have seen those analysis which I have sent in Telegram, but at present I'm focusing only on spot. Spot is fine. Few people see both spot and index. Few people see only for futures, but I see only spot. Spot is good compared to anything. Spot is fine. Okay, yeah. So let's meet another session, guys. Like next week maybe, and I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you so much for joining, and let's meet another session. I hope you got some value from this particular session. Have a nice day, guys, and yeah, trade safely with risk management. Bye, guys.